tears in her eyes are from that she's happy to see it all, or the singing.
Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Grabe kayo. You really surprised me. Oh, thank you. Precious, thank you, Susan. Ate Evelyn, Rob, everybody. Sweet. Thank you.
What's for dinner?
Pansit for long life. Pansit for long life.
We're waiting for you to say kami.
I know, but I can't. There's so many of you. I wish. I would. Yeah. When the pandemic is over, you are all welcome. Everybody. We got rain check, okay? Rain check. No, I promise. We're gonna have a backyard party. Okay?
Hindi man lang kami pinakyat.
Oh, Cassie, I love you, girl. So, I said, my brother did not call me yet. He forgot my birthday.
I told Cassie, no, Cassie will not greet so that she will expect that.
Love you, Tita Mom.
I love you too, everyone. I love you. Love you. Thank you, Precious, for coming. Thank you, everyone. Is that Rob there and Ate Evelyn? Thank you. There you go. The parade. Salamat! 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 Thank you! Thank you, son! Thank you! Oh my goodness!
Now we gotta take all the balloons off.
Thank you, Cassie! Thank you! Thank you, Diane!
Apple pate.
Yeah, thank you! Aww. Thank you, Cassie! Hi, ikaw, brother, hi! I thought you forgot my birthday. Well, rain check. Thank you, Diane. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Asaman mo ron.
Wow, dinner at Amy's Kitchen.